strongest term da sigumba thodoxida chenna bisingbo akoi condemn tawi adu loinana jat amabu oiro nupi angang muruwaina karisu khangjadaba makoi maranchu leijadaba adugumba nupi angang bo haraga yamna ningba ngamdaba dugi mawangda hatokpiba haibasidi khwaidagi inhuman oiba thabak amani party gi maigei party gi taraptagi asigumba mutung manau suku thokhaningde habisi miyamda akhoi thamjabaga loinana thokiba thodok se khoi strongest term da condemn tawi mari lainaba sigumba incident da thok chenaba dugumba group di matik chaba sadai pibam thokba piba haibase khoi party gi stand amani habise khoi miyamda khoi thamjabani ngasi ngaki mamangda khoi Manipur State Unit ki NPF ki office barrier mifam hamlami ngarang lahandagi Imphal da thokliba public singna MLA minister gi yum changaga pressure piba aduga vandalize tawba loot tawba sisu koi condemn tawi public na law si khutta sumaina paiduna state asigi peace asi tugai bita khoi pamde government na tofam thokpa central da tafam thokpa takpiu habdi public ki grievances public ki appeal de khoi appreciate tawi adubu organization oirabasu individual oirabasu sigumba thodok asidi state asigi mingchatsu thiba mani state asigi prestige state asigi maise prithvi atopgi mamangda thihali habse khoi thamningi aduna organization kana na oirabasu individual na oirabasu sigumba violence restraint to haningi kana oirabasu sigumba thokradi thokre adubu mutung manawda sigumba thokpidanaba habse khoi party gi taraptagi public me yamba khoi feel tawjabani mutung manawdu sigumba akhoi law se khoi on hand da pairiga tawba taradi akhoi state se progress si kadam ngi su leiroi justice su leiroi aduna law na tawfam thokpa government na tawfam thokpa tawbiu habisi public ki apamdi phongdo de khoi appreciate tawi adubu mokhoi khutta law si pairiga sumain tawrabadi akhoi Manipur si will go from bad to worse habise party ki taraptagi thamjaning bani miyamda so appeal tawi sigumba mutung manawda makha tana tawbignu habise khoi party ki taraptagi appeal tawjabani akhoi taidi hojik ti leijate du bosi ki appeal si party ki taraptagi akhoi tawjabaga loinana ngarang lahan thokiba thodo si strongest term da condemn tawi mutung manawdu sa sigumba thoktanaba miyamda so appeal tawba loinana sigumba inhuman oiba muwangse ko state mutung manawda kana gi community da oirasu thokpa pamde habise koi amjaraga any problem any issue se hoji faminaraga wari tawraga solution purak yaba khaktani there is nothing which is impossible if we sit across the table and try to sort it out our problems and issues aduna jat amana orabasu peace purang nangai miyam honasi akhoi wakhan khar chawba darkar lei jati punamang si wakhan khar chawre haraga as asumaina public wakhan basi yaroi akhoi solution amadi purak si habsi public ki khut su lei The government ga khuchuk khakta nate public cooperation se darkar lai all the communities, be it Meitei, be it Naga, be it Kuki. Apoy miyam tholaga leaders miyam tholaga public ke level da asigumba thodok se matung manaw da muk thoktana ba permanent solution thimina ba hase darkar lai amma bu tainaraga leiradi solution se subla lawe. At the end of the day, waga do bite di micham praja singni nongma chara thiriba nongma hingnga hona riba dugi lives effect of wakatani adu loina na student gi life matung manaw gi future oigada ba khoi gi younger generation gi life su effect towi aduna leaders mayama si khantha biraga solution je himina si habse koi party front ga til do. Thank you. Some miscreants are also been killed. Government is trying its best to rescue the innocent people who have been kidnapped. As soon as the news is came to the knowledge of the government has been doing its best, but unfortunately, they cannot be rescued alive. It's unfortunate, and we condemn about that.
One of the reasons why people are angry is the fact that government did not do anything to rescue, even despite having knowledge that they were kidnapped.
Government did. Government have done their best, but we're sorry to say that before they have been rescued alive, they were already been killed already. But we cannot say the government did not do anything. We are also public leaders. Government is representing the people. We understand the people's sentiment, and government has been doing its best. So